Imagine I've been sent this graphic by a client and I want to animate the gaps using trim paths. So I need a version of the shape with all the lines joined up continuously. In After Effects, there's no easy way to do that. In Penpal, I'll select all the paths and use the Join Paths button, but it doesn't join them in the right order. That's because the paths are always joined in the order I select them in Penpal, so I'll have to go round the spiral, selecting them one by one. It also always joins paths from their last point to the next one's first point, and I can see that this one is going to be joined by the wrong point. So before anything else, I'll use the Reverse Paths button on it. Then I can select all my paths in order, and when I click the Join Paths button, they're joined how I want. Penpal makes a new joined path next to the first one I selected in the timeline and turns off the visibility of all the old paths that were used. So it's non-destructive, and I can go and re-enable the old paths if I need to. Click the card on the right to watch the next video, or the one on the left for the whole playlist.